Hi, I'm Andrea and welcome to Productive C#. In this video, I'm going to talk about the Null coalescing operator that has been introduced back in C# 2.0. This is a console application. I have three methods that returns nullable integers. One method called getFirstNumber that returns 1, getSecondNumber that returns 2, and getThirdNumber that returns 3. Then I have a bit of convoluted code that is doing that is calling the getFirstNumber and printing it if it's not null. Otherwise, it's calling getSecondNumber, printing it if it's not null. Otherwise, print the third number. Okay. So effectively, we want to print the first number that is not null in a chain of calls of getFirstNumber, getSecondNumber, and getThirdNumber. Okay. The null coalescing operator allows you to do this sort of operation of checking if something is not null and do something, otherwise do something else in a very compact way. So as you can see here, ReSharper is telling me that there is a way to simplify this code, and let me use it. I do Alt-Enter, and ReSharper automatically converts this if statement in using the null coalescing operator. So let's see how it looks. So this expression is effectively using the null coalescing operator, and the way it works is pretty simple. If number is not null, the whole expression return null. Otherwise, call the getThirdNumber. Okay, so getThirdNumber is never called if number is not null. So this line of code is doing exactly the same behavior as the if statement that we had before. But we can go further. We can, so first of all, inline this call to getSecondNumber, and I could just take getFirstNumber, put it here, and use the null coalescing operator multiple times in a chain way, and achieve the exact identical result of the original nested if statements. So now I have a single line of code that allows me to do the behavior I want. If getFirstNumber is not null, return it and print it. Otherwise, call getSecondNumber. If that's not null, return and print it. Otherwise, call getThirdNumber. So let's try this code and run it and see if it actually behaves like we expect. So if I run it now, getFirstNumber return 1, and then the chain stops and we print 1. However, if getFirstNumber return null, then I expect the getSecondNumber to be called and printed. In fact, 2 is printed. And then if getSecondNumber returns null, I expect the third number to be called and printed. And that's exactly what happens. So this chain of null coalescing operators allows me to do a lot of if not null statements very easily in a very compact way. Call the left-hand side of the expression, and if that's not null, fine, stop there and return the value. Otherwise, carry on and look at the right-hand side of the expression, evaluate that. If that's not null, return it, otherwise carry on. So this is a very easy chain of if not null statements done in a very compact way without using if statements. This is effectively the essence of this operator, and has been introduced pretty much as a way to make your code more compact. Works better with nullable value types that has been introduced in C# 2, but also can be used with reference types to provide default values when null is returned. And is effectively used in every single C# code base you can find. You might be working on. It's a very common operator, so it's very important to understand these operators. So when you come across to question mark, you know that you're dealing with the null coalescing operator, and now you know how it works. Thank you very much for watching.